Hey everyone, it's Davi. Today I will show you how to deploy a full stack application on AWS Cloud in a simple and practical way with automatic load balancing, log management, health monitoring, and environment variables. No need to worry about complex infrastructure. Just upload your package and your app is live. You can do this inside the AWS free tier. Deploying apps on AWS used to be complicated, so you had to create an EC2 instance, install services, set up load balancer, manage logs, monitor health, and handle deployment. For developers focused on coding, it was a big challenge. That's why AWS creates Elastic Beanstalk. It supports multiple programming languages like Java, Node.js, Python, and more. You just choose the language, the runtime version, upload your package, and Elastic Beanstalk does the rest. It automatically sets up a load balancer, provisions in EC2 instancing, deploys your app, and gives you access to logs, monitoring, and environment variables. Elastic Beanstalk itself is free. You only pay for the resources it creates, like EC2, RDS, or S3. But if you stay within the free tier, you won't spend $1. For this demo, I will use a full stack project with Spring Boot on the back end and React on the front end. I started with A2 as a local database, but I prepared everything for MySQL. I added MySQL dependency, updated the dialect, and exported a dump file to load on AWS. Instead of hosting the database with the backend, I will use RDS MySQL, which is more professional and scalable. I created the database in standard create mode, set up the user and password, and created a security group to allow port 3306. For testing, I left it open for all IPs, but in production, you should limit it. Then I loaded the dump with tables and a test user. Next, I deployed the backend with Elastic Beanstalk. I created the app, selected Java, uploaded the package, and set the version. Choose the default VPC and added the environment variables with the RDS endpoint. I also enabled public access to get a public URL. Elastic Beanstalk deployed the app and gave me the endpoint. I tested with Postman and the backend was working right away. Then I deployed the front end on S3. I created a bucket, enabled static website hosting, updated the prod file with the backend URL, and uploaded the build files. By default, AWS blocks access, so I updated the bucket policy to allow public access. Now the front end is live and connected to the backend. I logged in with the test user and everything's worked perfectly. Final result, a full stack app running on AWS, backend in Elastic Beanstalk, database in RDS, and front end on S3. A professional, scalable, and monitored environment without spending hours on infrastructure. That's it, you guys. If you like it, don't forget to give the thumb up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.